girl. She can't see what's in the box anyhow after she unwraps it.
Get it.
There you go. Good job.
Whoa.
Daddy wrapped that one.
What is it?
Whoa. You want Daddy to open the box? Here, tear it up. What's that, man? Put that knife back in. Yeah. Okay, Shank. All right, let's open it up. See what's in there. Oh, get that.
What's in there? Wash your hands, baby.
What is it?
Wow.
Wow.
What is it, Grace? Oh, it's a ride-along.
Making my head spin how many activities we can do.
Wow.
Right. You want Daddy to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Gotta figure out the magic potion of this.
Yay.
Got it.
You like that one, Grace?
I got her the Jelly of the Month Club. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Hold on.
Say, I want car. I want car. Look, it's got princesses on it. Look at all the princesses, Grace. Wow. That is
You want tar? Okay, hold on.
cool.
All right. Roll out, coachies. Go. Chee-chee. Chee-chee.
Hi. Yay!
Honk the horn. Lock her down in four-wheel drive.
Go.
Go for it, Grace.
Wow. She almost lost it. Here, you want to play with that?
All right, good job, guys.